Yeah, right.
There are lots of people with lots of degree,
Yeah.
but do they have job?
Yeah.
My question is that are they jobless and they have job?
Yeah, student, if they are going to acquire higher education knowledge,
Yes, sir.
so what is their mentality? Do you know?
एक ट्री ड्रॉ कर दो, एक ट्री ड्रॉ कर दो और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल अलग अलग लाइक मंकी है, डंकी है, हॉर्स है, सबको रख दो और आप बोलो कि सबको एक साथ उसी पेड़ पे चढ़ना है, तो क्या वो चढ़ पाएंगे? आई हैव क्वेश्चन टू व्हाई यू नो व्हाई चाइना इज डेवलप्ड.
Yeah,
Our Indian education system is totally scam. Okay, because अगर सब एक जगह चले जाएंगे तो देन अदर फील्ड का क्या होगा? उसमें भी तो ट्राई करके देखो. सबकी पोटेंशियल अलग होती है, सबका इंटरेस्ट अलग होता है, एंड वी शुड ट्राई डिफिकल्ट फील्ड. ओके.
Welcome back on English by Hafiz.
Podcast about knowledge and skill.
Hi everyone, once again welcome back. Such a glorious, tremendous, spectacular session and show. This session also based on podcast. Today, my podcast are really highly, extremely severe, vital, integral, crucial point, which must have knowledge about that because we all are facing, we have lack of knowledge. That is why we are facing problem. So in this podcast, again, we are going to create outcry, shock, tremble people, ki what kind of things we are missing in our life, life. That is why I'm conducting simultaneously, spontaneously, as much as possible, as far as possible, some kind of information actually I am sharing here. It might be that ki everyone they need information knowledge because many time, many places we face problem, crisis just because of having lack of the knowledge, reduction of the information. We are facing lots of problem.
Exactly.
Today, my podcast guest, really, she is honor of the amazing skill and highly, deeply talented, perficacious, sagacious, brilliant, intellectual, and even you can say the topper of my coaching in 2023. So after a long time, I met her. Really, she is so scrupulous, conscientious, laborious, industrial, and very productive, innovative, extrovert, ambivert person. So now I'm going to invite Miss Zoha. So I'm really welcome to you, Miss Zoha. How do you feel here? How are you? Please tell me.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for appreciating me this much. And in a past time, when I came here for first time, I do believe that my confidence was not this much enhanced. Okay, but you helped me a lot to enhance that confidence, and you lead a way how to be successful in this journey. And I'm really, really happy to meet you again.
Thank you.
On we will speak on some topic. And yes, it's true that I really want to deliver this kind of a speech which can impact people
Yeah.
and which can impact their mind, and they will be like, yeah, it's relatable to my life.
Yeah.
And most of my speech were about feminism.
Yeah.
People think that, no? People think that most of my speech were about feminism.
Yeah,
But
because that
it's
is why your
yeah.
notable point, ideas, and thinking thought is that you always put your delivery, your lecture
Yeah.
on a topic issue which is actually very highlighted
Yeah.
and requirement of our society,
Yes,
and people
And
require.
mostly, sir, mostly in village area.
Yeah,
This
so
is very high.
you are social reform actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a
Yes, sir.
great. You are very impactful, effective, charming public speaker.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much again
Yeah.
for appreciating
So
me
today-
this much. Okay.
Yeah, in this podcast, actually, I would like to bring up
Yes.
our really highly vital point is that which one is more essential, crucial, vital in our life. Exactly. This is the degree. This is the degree, yeah, knowledge, skill.
Yeah.
People, students, sometimes they are confused.
Yeah.
Some student actually they have degree. Now they understand, consider ki I have everything.
Yes.
And other hand, some student actually they have not degree, so they feel actually lack of the degree, lack of the right certificate marks.
exactly.
All right. After having knowledge, also they are feeling embarrassment. Some places when the number come to count the engineering degree, right?
Yes.
This kind of they face lots of problem. So, what's your opinion, view? What's your perspective about that? How do you see key exactly? In our country, lots a great number of students they have degree, they have knowledge, but they are blaming that government. They are blaming that we are not getting job. So, what is reason behind that? Even also, in our country, lots of students actually they have degree, but they have not knowledge and talent skill. That is why they are facing problem. Jobless.
Exactly,
They are not very innovative, attractive. They are believing completely on the degree, on the knowledge. Ki whatever I receive as a form of the paper, this is actually my complete skill knowledge. Yeah, we should continue.
Yes.
We should create constantly. Then we can learn. We should not believe on the degree.
Okay, sir. I would like to share my opinion about this topic. Actually, I have lots of idea and lots of example I can give. How people do believe that degree is more important in this era or skill. Okay, just like that. See, India's most populated country all over the world.
Yeah,
okay?
right.
And we have lots of youngest.
Hmm.
Okay, youngest kind of people like girls and all. We have the youngest youth.
Yeah, right.
There are lots of people with lots of degree,
Yeah.
but do they have job?
Yeah.
My question is that are they jobless and they have job? And your answer will be yeah. Most of them are jobless. Even after getting lots of degree, they
Yeah.
don't have job. And
So you notice other hand,
Yeah.
most of the students they have not degree,
Yeah.
but they become influencer. They
Yeah,
become very revolutionary in our country.
Exactly, exactly.
On YouTube they are working.
They're
They have not
working
taken
on,
degree.
lots of social
There are
media
many teachers. Actually, they have not
platforms,
high-fi degree, but they
Yeah,
are teaching
exactly.
well. They are very effective, attractive.
Yes,
They shocked by their knowledge and they prove that actually knowledge and skill is better than degree.
better than me. Of course, it's a better. Sir, I can give example a girl from
Mostly knowledgeable, educated degree people, they are not showing their actually knowledge.
Yeah.
They believe on your degree. They have knowledge. If in doctor, they are talented.
I think that degree is just for showcasing. Okay,
Yeah.
You have this degree, I have this degree, I have this degree. But if you go to any interview for any job, okay, firstly they will not. They will see your degree, but later they will check how much skill you have. Okay,
Yeah, right.
For your work, you should be learn a skill. Everybody.
Yeah.
I believe in that. Every student from here should learn a skill. It can be anything. It can be in any field, like
So
education
with- yeah,
field or
right.
any field.
So you means to say that with the degree we must have knowledge.
Skill, yeah, exactly.
We
exactly.
must analysis
Yeah.
ourselves with the degree we have knowledge or not.
Yeah, yeah.
If we have high-fi degree, but our knowledge, our confidence, our skill is so low, then it's mean that we are
Your
facing
degree
problem,
is
we are crisis.
your degree.
Even also your degree
Yeah,
is
yeah.
fake.
Yeah,
Fake.
it's a waste of time.
Yeah, right.
You just-
So with a
you
degree,
just
you
waste
must
your
have
time.
knowledge.
Yes,
Even
exactly.
also you should believe on yourself. You
Yeah.
should believe your hand.
Of course.
See, whatever degree we have,
so
that's
you
okay.
should- you
But we should have lots of experience, knowledge better than the degree.
Exactly. And so you should explore yourself.
Then I can impress anyone.
Yeah, exactly.
I should
sir.
have my personal
Sir,
ideas, experience, thought.
Sir, even in big company, people, if they hire someone, they don't hire on that person on degree basis, but on their skill basis, how confident he is and how much knowledge that person is enhancing. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying that people should learn and explore themselves daily. Like they should explore what they like or what they are in interest, so they can learn lots of things or they can have a skill in that field. Okay, it's not about like on a specific field. Okay, it can be anything. Like even if you know some cloth stitching, you should explore that field about how to enhance your skill
Yeah.
and how to sketch your dress like that. And if you want to sing, if you know singing, then you can enhance that skill. It doesn't matter that it should be from the educational field. No, it can be any field. Okay, even if it's a cooking, cooking is also a skill. Okay, you can see that there are lots of YouTube channel people are earning from lots
Yeah,
of
right.
money from that. So that's my topic is that degree is important. Okay, degree is important, but skill is more important than degree.
Can degree.
Okay,
Yeah, right.
and mostly in this AI era. Okay, if you don't know how to operate and how to give a prompt to AI, then I think your degrees are waste. Okay.
Yeah, very good. So one more point, actually, I would like to ask you, ki, you know, some student, student, if they are going to acquire higher education knowledge,
Yes, sir.
so what is their mentality? Do you know, sometimes they are considering that ki we are going for engineering because I want engineer degree.
Yeah.
That thought thinking is good. Yeah, we should go for higher education by considering that ki we should gain, explore lots of knowledge.
Yeah.
Because automatic after gaining, exploring knowledge, we can get degree.
Yeah, exactly.
Which kind of mentality we should have here?
So actually, I would like the second one.
Second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ki exactly.
You
Ki
should
wherever we
explore.
are going
Yeah.
for higher education,
Yes.
we should not target, we should not focus, emphasize actually I want only degree, because I saw many student mentality that ki only I want degree,
Yes.
I want degree,
Yes, sir.
I want engineering degree. So those who want only degree, it's mean that they are not good.
And so
They
that's
are not actually
the
right.
reason their mind stop in that point that
Yeah.
after getting that degree,
Because it's
their
mean that
mind is
if you
all
want,
blank.
if you think I want only degree, wherever you are taking admission, you only pass the time.
Yeah,
Why? Because
exactly.
you want degree after
want
passing.
degree. Yes, exactly.
Anyhow, however you can pass out your
Yeah.
exam. Now finally you get result.
You
You
get
get
result
degree.
and
You
you
go.
get degree. Yes,
But you have
that's
not
it.
any kind of knowledge,
or anything.
confidence.
Yeah, exactly.
So we should think ki I have to explore. I have to explore lots of knowledge in that
Exactly.
particular area. Degree automatic, I think that you get.
And sir, I think that every person sitting here and in this world born with some talent, it
Yeah.
may be hidden, but you should explore yourself now. If you will explore yourself, then you will know what's a hidden talent you have inside
All
you.
right.
Okay. Because I have seen lots of students that they have lots of hesitation. Okay. In like giving answer or talking to someone or making conversation and public speaking and lots of things. They have lack of confidence, and then they should enhance their skill, like doing conversation and all. And you will get that skill by practicing. Practicing
right.
the only thing that
By practicing, by
makes
utilizing.
human better.
All right.
Okay. If you want to enhance your skill, if you want to go any field, firstly you need practice in everything. Practice makes everything perfect.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Because that's a true key. Key our mentality also should that keep whatever knowledge, whatever degree, in which area we are going, we should think that ki here I have to gain, I have to explore, I have to develop, I have to boost my skill. We should never ever think that ki I want
I
degree
have
here.
enough knowledge.
Yeah.
Lots of people think that they have enough knowledge, but the reality is that knowledge is never enough.
Yeah,
Knowledge
never
what is
enough.
that you can learn every time. Okay.
Yeah, right. You are good.
Yes, sir. You can learn lifetime.
Last.
Okay. Until your breath.
Yeah, because I think that the more you are exploring, the more you are learning, never ever be sufficient, never
Exactly.
ever be enough,
Enough,
never
yeah.
ever. It has
So
not
this-
any endless
sir,
point.
Actually, I guess that in learning, this enough word is never come. Okay, enough word is don't have any work here. Okay, because if you think that you have enough knowledge, then you will meet lots of people with more knowledge.
I
Okay.
saw many teachers, they are teaching continue for 40 years.
Yeah.
Still they are exploring, they are actually learning, they are exploring, they start teaching. Each and every day they come after studying, after Adhyan Mutala.
Yes. Yes.
And also they are saying this is the discipline rule.
Yeah.
I have idea, I have knowledge. I have been teaching here.
Even I have seen lots of professor like PhD professor. I have seen them reading books. Okay, so if they are reading books, then why we can't?
Yeah, why we can't?
Why we
Even
can't?
also, I saw many government teacher,
Yeah.
government employee, after getting job, they start getting laziness.
Yeah.
They start getting missing something. That is why one day, after 10 or 5 years, they start forgetting everything. And result is that you can see how is the condition of the primary school, because they start everything forgetting.
Yes.
They are not making their effort, whatever they made before getting the
yes.
job. If they making still effort pains to teach student, definitely I can see amazing kind of result feedback in the government primary
Yes,
school
exactly.
level also.
And sir, I have also, I want to say
This
that.
is the differences between the private and government teacher. Private
Yes,
teacher
exactly.
always they work hard. They try
Yeah,
to
yeah,
do something. Why? Because
Sir, they do learn
They have
some.
to show result
sir,
each and every
sir,
time.
they do learn a new thing every day.
yeah,
Yeah, like in any topic they have in their syllabus, they go home and check on that on browser and all, and they learn that topic. And it's so true that if you search about any topic, you will get some new knowledge every day. Every time, whenever you open up a website, you will get some new knowledge from every field or from every topic. So that's why learning is never enough.
yeah.
You should explore yourself.
Yeah. So
daily.
conclusion is that ki actually whoever they are going to gain degree, with the degree they should focus target instead of focusing achieving the degree. They should focus and target on the
Enhancing
exploring,
your,
enhancing, boosting
their
knowledge, skill, talent.
skill.
Definitely they can see amazing kind of
Sir,
changes in their life.
Sir, I have a question to why China is developed.
Yeah.
I want
Because everybody actually, I think
Sir,
most of the people they are.
You know what? Every single child from their street have some skill.
Yeah.
Either it's a little or big, doesn't matter. But they have skill. They don't.
Yeah,
focus
actually
on, they don't have focus on
उन्हें
like
उनके
education.
पैर पे खड़े होने के लिए मजबूर किया जाता है.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Government parents actually they make compel
Yeah,
to stand up
exactly.
on their foot.
And
You
sir-
saw many
sir,
small
sir, one
children,
more thing, sir.
students, they are fighting. They are actually learning the skill of the
Sir,
skill.
black belt, they have black
Yeah.
belt confidence and lots of things. Yeah,
And amazing
I
kind
have
of
seen
skill they are
that
doing.
exactly.
I saw on YouTube video.
Yes, sir, even
Small baby children.
That's why I'm
They
saying
are
like
doing
that
many
they
kind of
are-
magician work,
Exactly.
which could not be performed by experience.
Sir, they are they're very smart in every way, like in technological.
Yeah, in our country, student people they are lazy.
They are playing here and there on the street.
They are not valuing
wasting their
themselves.
time.
Why they
Sir,
came here?
Even if they are going on a school, that is just like go and come. After. That's
Only
it.
everywhere they
Yeah,
want
exactly.
they want freedom, they want facilities.
Yeah.
Right? These
They
kind
don't
of
want to
problems.
study. They don't want to
That is
study.
problem.
And actually, sir, one more thing is that in our India,
Forcefully they are coming in the coaching.
exactly, sir. That's what I'm saying to you.
Yeah, so you have dragged out my words. You have taken words right out of my mouth.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I was about to say. That in India, people force their child to go in some field. If they
Yeah.
want to go doctor, no, go. You should be doctor. Even if their son or daughter want to become something, but they will force them. No, you have to be a doctor. That's also reason why our population is not.
They are practicing to do impossible work.
Yeah, exactly.
Here, possible work we are not doing.
Yeah, sir. I want to give example, a Hindi example. Like आप यहाँ पे एक ट्री ड्रॉ कर दो, एक ट्री ड्रॉ कर दो, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल अलग अलग लाइक मंकी है, डंकी है, हॉर्स है, सबको रखो, और आप बोलो कि सबको एक साथ उसी पेड़ पे चढ़ना है, तो क्या वो चढ़ पाएंगे? वो चढ़ पाएंगे? लाइक आप मुझे मार्कर दो तो मैं ज्यादा अच्छे से प्रॉपरली वो चीज को समझा सकती हूँ यहाँ पे. ओके सर, आई वुड लाइक सर लाइक दिस. You make a tree, okay?
Yeah, right.
There is a tree.
That one should be visible, right?
Sir, it's look like a tree, no? Okay. Okay, sir. It's a text, okay? And I will make some emoji here, like. Sir, I just make it, but suppose that it's some kind of animal, okay? I make it emoji, but instead that this is a monkey, it's a donkey, and it's a elephant, and it's a horse, and it's any other animal, okay? And you're saying that they should climb on that tree, okay? They should climb on that tree. So it's possible. Is it possible? No. And that's how our India education system works. वो लोग एक ही चीज बनाते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें जो स्टूडेंट का पोटेंशियल होता है, लाइक इसका कुछ अलग होगा, इसका कुछ अलग होगा, इसका पोटेंशियल कुछ अलग होगा, इसका, बट आप बोल रहे हैं आप सारे एक ही एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, जिस तरह से सब नीट में एक साथ जा रहे हैं, है ना? उनको लाइक दे शुड फोकस ऑन सम अदर थिंग ना. जरूरी नहीं अगर सब कर रहे हैं तो हम भी वही करें, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम चल रहा है, इनको भी फॉलो करना है, इनको भी फॉलो करना है. बट जब किसी हर स्टूडेंट के अंदर अलग अलग कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, अलग अलग चीजों को एक्सप्लोर करने का वो होता है. That's thing I want to.
Okay, thank you. Right.
Sir, I gave that example because I have seen that our
Yeah,
Indian education system is totally scam. Okay, because अगर सब एक जगह चले जाएंगे तो देन अदर फील्ड का क्या होगा? उसमें भी तो ट्राई करके देखो. सबकी पोटेंशियल अलग होती है, सबका इंटरेस्ट अलग होता है, एंड वी शुड ट्राई डिफिकल्ट फील्ड. ओके, मेडिकल फील्ड इज नॉट ओनली वन थिंग हियर.
Yeah, that's a good. All right.
सर थैंक यू.